Okay guys, today I'm going to be making 2 slimes. Okay, now, glue. I can't open this. Ugh. Hold on. Guys, wait, I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna open it really quick off the camera. I got it. Okay, hold on guys. Okay, let's finish pouring the glue. Squid. Mama, I'm making a YouTube video. Squeeze! Okay, I'm just gonna open the cap really quick. I'll be back. Now we're just gonna pour it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. I think that's enough for my kids done. Okay. And we are gonna put some paint. I have some teal slime. So let me open the paint. I will be back. Okay, now let's put in the paint with a paintbrush. Dip, 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 dip. Okay. Put this on the plate. Now I can let's mix. There's no color. I'm gonna put this in. So I'm gonna do that. Got it. I spilled some, I think. Oh, that's a pretty too. Oh, and well, it's not in camera. It's so light, but in camera it's like kind of dark. But this is so light. Like I love the color. Oh my, this is my favorite slime. I love this slime. Hold on guys, I'll be back.